Let's go to work.
Everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lavion. I'm a wife and mother of 3, and I like to create motivational cleaning videos for anyone who may need just an extra push and motivation cleaning where you may see fit in your own home. If this is something that you are interested in, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Today's video, I'm giving you some nighttime kitchen cleaning motivation. The kids in my area, they started with the virtual learning. So of course, with my daughter being of school age, I did want to make sure that everything was prepared, set up, lunches was made, so we can kind of like make this thing go as normal as possible. So of course, I got to the kitchen just a little late, which was okay. I didn't have any, complaints too much. I was tired, but nothing out of the norm. So I am just starting off and just cleaning my kitchen after everybody then already had their dinner and everybody's upstairs relaxing. I did take this time to just go ahead and make sure that the kitchen was clean. Before I use my glass cleaner, I'm going through with the Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the scent Mom. If you have watched my pantry organization, you know that I already rant and raved about this cleaner. It smells amazing, and it does, of course, works really well. Miss Meyer's is a really good product. So if you haven't had the chance, go ahead and check those products out. I know you may not be able to see, but there was a lot of like stains, food stains that was on the table, so I did want to go through first and make sure they were all up before I used the glass cleaner. Alright guys, we're going to have to take a moment of silence for this table right now. Like, look how clean and shiny it's looking. Like, at the end of every time you clean your table, guys, it should look like this. Clean and streak free. You hear me, honey? And if it's not, go ahead and do that thing all over again because you ain't cleaning right. So now I'm just moving on to my dishes. I found these gloves at TJ Maxx and I thought they were pretty cool. And they were pink, which is my favorite color, so I really thought they were cool. And they work pretty well. I like to just kind of go ahead and scrub the dishes. They have like a little bristle, I guess if you will, on the bottom, so it's really good for like scrubbing the dishes before you actually put them in the dishwasher or start washing them. So that's what I'm doing, just using the palm part of the glove and washing off any of the stains that may be on the dishes, and then I'm just putting them in the dishwasher. And of course, the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher, such as my pots and my cups, I just go ahead and wash those.
I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense, so I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different, and it had to be you out the blue. Somebody who would listen, and it had to be you out of all the people to reply. My love couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking mistaken for me. We were just friends. But we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah. I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice. But I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you made it cool. But so you took your time and I'm not surprised by what I found. 'Cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. I don't I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you.
Guys, now I'm at the last step of the evening, which is mopping. If you're still with me, thank you so much for watching all the way through. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Take care.
Never meant to fall so hard. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.